So you have a research assignment, and you know what the finished product should look like, but how do you start? The beginning of the research process can be overwhelming, but if we break it down into smaller steps, we can make it easier, and even fun. Before we get started with any actual research, we need to make sure you understand what's expected of you. Many assignments have specific requirements that you will be expected to follow. Things like the number or type of resources you should use, or even a publication date range, are things you should look out for. When you receive a research assignment, it's a good idea to read through the whole thing a couple of times before you dive in. Highlight or underline important information as you read, and be sure to make note of any questions you have, and ask your instructor for clarification. Once you understand the requirements of your assignment, it's time to get some ideas flowing. To begin your research, you'll need a topic, which we can come up with by brainstorming. There are many different methods of brainstorming to choose from. With free writing, it's all about getting ideas on paper. Write down whatever comes to mind, and don't worry too much about quality. Or, if you like a more organized approach, try making a list. Write down some of the ideas you've discussed in class and list as many topics as you can think of. Maybe you'd prefer a more visual method, like mind mapping. Draw a map of circles connected with lines or arrows. You can write down connected terms in the circles and branch out to explore more specific ideas. You could even use artificial intelligence to help get you started. Generative AI like ChatGPT or Copilot can be a useful tool for helping you come up with ideas. Just remember to use it responsibly. After you've done some brainstorming, it's time to decide on your topic. Don't worry, your topic can still be broad right now. We'll work to narrow it down later. It's important that you make sure your topic is interesting to you. Research is like a conversation, so choose something that you would enjoy discussing. But wait, what does it mean when we say research is a conversation? Think of it like this. Imagine walking into a room where people are already deep in conversation. How would you find out what they're talking about and join the conversation yourself? You might listen, ask questions, and engage with the information you learn. Research is the same way. It is a conversation that's been going on for a very long time, and as a student, you're part of that conversation. Once you have a research topic, you need to see what is already being said about it so that you can contribute something new to the discussion. You can do this by reading about your topic, as well as asking questions and finding answers in published works. And when you complete your assignment by writing a paper or giving a presentation, you're joining the conversation of research. Now let's review. In this video, we discussed how to begin the research process by making sure you understand your assignment, brainstorming for research topics, and looking at research as a conversation. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to narrow down your research topic and turn it into a research question. Want some help? Book an appointment with one of our librarians today.